Currently I'm in the kitchen communal area, so the communal area is going to be to my left of the building itself. So the whole bottom of the property is going to be obviously kitchen and communal. So we'll have the actual worktops across this floor over here. You'll notice over here, this originally was the actual fireplace, the chimney stack. Now what we do is, the majority of our properties, we actually do take out the chimney stack. The main reason for this is to create space in the room, okay? They don't have any purpose of being here. We're not going to be using them, so we take them out wherever we can. When we're actually doing this, we have to make sure that we put support in the chimney stack above. So if the chimney is connected to the neighboring chimney, so next door, then what we have to do is we have to support that chimney with what's called gallows brackets. So what we'll do is we'll go into the loft, we'll obviously chip away the actual the chimney where it needs to be. We'll put support into the actual chimney where it's supported against the actual wall over there. And then what that happens is stops the chimney stack from the right of the chimney at the top from falling over. If you don't do that, what will happen is it will implode into the roof and you have a bigger problem in your hands, which we obviously don't want to do. So that's get done. That's obviously been signed off by building regulations as well. Once we have done that, then we can actually bring down the whole chimney stack, okay? We've done that in both sides of the properties, the front and the rear, and this creates massive amount of space in actual rooms. So if you are doing a HMO, it is definitely one of those things to consider taking out, because it does make a huge difference in the dynamics of the floor space and what you can actually do with the property. Let's jump upstairs, have a look exactly what's happening there currently at the moment. Okay, so we're in the first bedroom of this 4-bedroom HMO, and you'll notice we've taken out the chimney stack from all the way up to the 3rd floor, as mentioned before, how we actually support it as well. But you'll just see exactly, this is a better kind of illustration of exactly what's happened and why we've actually taken out this room, okay? So we're not actually putting an ensuite in this bedroom, and the reason why is we've got another room to the rear of the property, okay, which is not big enough for a room and an ensuite, okay? So what we've done is that's going to be a separate bathroom, it'll have its own key for this actual bedroom, and what we found is a lot of tenants actually prefer that way. They get their own bathroom, it's off rather than an ensuite. They've got their own bathroom with their own dedicated key. There will be a separate toilet downstairs, so if people are in the communal area, they don't have to go up to their bedrooms, etc. So it'll work quite nicely down here as well, okay? So we don't actually have to break through the walls to put an ensuite in here. It's simply, this is going to be a nice big double-sized bedroom over the 10.22 square meters for a double occupancy requirement for that as well. Let's jump into the 2nd bedroom on the middle floor, where we can actually have a look exactly what's been done, because the chimney stack's been taken out there as well, and where the ensuite is going in that bedroom. Let's go have a look at that right now. Okay, so we're in the 2nd bedroom on the middle floor. This is going to be a double bedroom with an ensuite, okay? So you'll notice again here, we've taken out the chimney stack over here. The reason why we've done that is to open up the space again, okay? It is a nice big double-sized bedroom that we've got in here anyway, but because we needed to take it take it off upstairs, we just bring it all the way down as well and get rid of it, okay? It's gonna open up the property massively and change the dynamics of this actual bedroom and the property. Now, what we said before, this is going to be an ensuite in this bathroom. So what you'll notice over here is we're actually going to have an ensuite over here in this corner, okay? So we'll have like shower tray in the corner, and we'll probably have like the toilet in the corner, probably shower tray around about here, and you have a basin in the middle, okay? So it'll be a nice size ensuite, and it won't affect the actual space of the bedroom, because you're probably going to be looking at, it's going to come to here, so it's going to be a good size 10.22 square meters. Probably looking at the actual TV on the wall over there with the desk underneath, and we'll have the bedroom over there, so the bed over there with the bedside table there as well. So we've got our actual design team coming in to actually measure up everything and get the floor plans right, so we can actually get that specific. We know exactly where all the electrics are going, where all the fire alarms are going. We're going to know exactly where every single bed is going. Which is great news, because it means that everyone's got pure clarity of what we're doing on this project at all times, and we can put those plans on the wall downstairs. We know exactly where tradespeople are coming in, and things just work a lot smoother. Okay, so we're in bedroom number 3 at the moment. This is going to be an ensuite room. What we are going to be doing is we're going to have to break through this wall over here, so we can actually put the ensuite behind this wall. So we'll look at that in a minute in the other bedroom so you can see that what that will look like. As mentioned before, we've got a design team that's coming in to actually just literally do the exact plans of what needs to be done. So we know exactly where floor sockets are going, we know exactly where the actual beds are going, where the bedside cabinets, where the desks are going. We've got exact measurements of everything, so we know how the room dynamics are going to look at the end of this. So with regards to the chimney stack, you can see we're on the 3rd floor now. You can actually see exactly where the chimney stack went, okay? So this has all been supported now with the gallows brackets and also obviously steel beams that we've had to do it. So we've had to really put the steel beams into the main wall over here and then going onto the leading supporting wall in the center of the house as well. So there's a quite lengthy steel beams with obviously concrete pillars as well. So that's all been done. We discussed it with the building regs how best we could do it to obviously do it satisfactory. So we've got that support with that chimney stack there as well, so we can get the best out of this actual bedroom and this house maximized. So let's jump into the 4th and final bedroom so we can have a look how that's going to look and obviously where the en-suites are going to go in there as well. Okay, so we're in the 4th and final bedroom of this HMO, and you'll notice as well is that we've taken out the chimney stack out of this as well, okay? As you can see, it opens up massive amounts of space in the actual bedroom. It means we can utilize the bedroom rather than jigging around a actual chimney stack. We can actually have a nice square room that we can work with, okay? So it means that we can actually have the ensuite against that wall. We can have the ensuite against that wall over there as well. And we can still have this massive amounts of space within this actual bedroom. Now, I'm really excited for this one because it's going to be, you know, it's not going to be a massive complicated HMO that we're actually doing. However, it's still going to look fantastic at the end of it. We do all our properties exactly the same, keeps the same standards, and the quality just keeps getting better and better with everything. Every time we're tweaking, every time we're tweaking on those refurbs. So if you like what you're seeing and you actually want to find out a little bit more on how you can profit from UK property with minimal time effort, then what I'd like to do is actually invite you to book in a call with one of our team at jenicproperty.com. You can book in that free call at a time that suits you best, and we'll discuss exactly how you can, your short-term and long-term goals and how we actually move you forward. Otherwise, if you'd like to learn more on how you can profit from UK property with us, then also head to jenicproperty.com and you click on the Learn More button, and there's just a quick presentation on there of how exactly it works, what money you can make, what money is involved in it, and also the whole process from start to finish, and then booking a call with our team. Thanks very much for watching. My name's Nic Clark from Jenic Property. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that like button if you like what you've seen. Don't forget to also share this video. Who do you think it would actually benefit for you within your network as well? Hit that notification bell for any future videos with Refurb Wednesdays and our Deals Friday, shown every Wednesday and Fridays on our YouTube channel. Otherwise, if you do want to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, head to Property with Nic Clark and you can actually find us there. Thanks for watching. My name's Nic Clark from Jenic Property, helping you profit from UK property. Remember, booking your free call at jenicproperty.com, and I'll speak to you all soon.